Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Spotted bay bass is truly a hidden gem of the ocean, perfect for home cooking and sustainability. This flavorful fish offers a wonderfully mild, delicate taste, making it incredibly versatile for various dishes. You'll often find it fresh at your local markets, a testament to its responsible sourcing. It's an excellent choice if you're looking for a delicious, easier-to-prepare seafood option that supports healthy marine ecosystems. Let's dive in and learn how to make it shine. Prepping your spotted bay bass is much simpler than it seems, ensuring a fresh and clean canvas for cooking. First, you'll want to scale the fish by gently scraping from tail to head with a scaler or the back of a knife. After scaling, make a careful incision along the belly to remove the internal organs. Rinse it thoroughly under cold water, inside and out, making sure to pat it completely dry afterward. This crucial step prepares your fish perfectly for cooking and lox in all its natural flavor. Pan-searing is arguably one of the best ways to cook spotted bay bass, creating a beautiful crispy skin and incredibly tender, moist flesh. Start by heating a heavy-bottomed skillet, like cast iron, over medium-high heat with a good quality oil. Once hot, carefully place the fish, skin side down, in the pan. Let it sear undisturbed for about 3 to 4 minutes until the skin is beautifully golden and crisp. Then, flip it and cook for just another minute or two, finishing perfectly. If you prefer a more hands-off approach, roasting your spotted bay bass in the oven is a fantastic, healthy option. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's nice and hot for an even cook. Lightly coat your base with olive oil, salt, and pepper, perhaps adding a few lemon slices and fresh herbs into the cavity. Place it on a baking sheet and roast for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the flesh is opaque and flakes easily with a fork. It's simple, delicious, and minimizes cleanup. Now comes the best part, plating your magnificent spotted bay bass and savoring its fresh flavors. A simple garnish of fresh lemon wedges and a sprinkle of vibrant, chopped parsley or dill really brightens the dish and complements the base beautifully. Serve it alongside some roasted asparagus, a fluffy rice pilaf, or a crisp green salad for a complete and satisfying meal. You've just transformed a simple fish into a gourmet experience. Enjoy every single delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.